Hey guys, this is Balu from Balu Prime and once again welcome you all back for an exciting tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how I created this fish jumping animation along with the ripple effect on water in Blender easily. So hope you guys will find the tutorial useful, but before going to that, if you end up liking this video, please click on that like button to share this content, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing my channel and support me. So further without any ado, let's begin today's video. So here you can see I'm using Blender 2.93. Nice. Now let's select everything in this default scene by pressing A on the keyboard and delete. So now let's start this with the plane. So go to this add mesh, select a plane here. So press S on the keyboard and increase the scaling of the plane. Nice. So now let's add some subdivision. So press tab on the keyboard for edit mode, right click, select this subdivide, and let me increase the number of counts to 100. Nice. So again press tab to exit that edit mode. So now let's import fish model here. So I have downloaded a free model from Sketchfab, download link in the description. So go to this file, import, it is an object file. So select this wavefront obj, select the model and import obj. So here you can see we got our fish model. So now let me reduce the scaling of this. So press S and reduce the scaling of the fish here like this. So now let's animate the fish. So press 3 for side view, grab this move tool, and let me place the fish here first and let me rotate it like this. Okay, so now move forward like 20 frames in timeline. So press I on the keyboard and add a keyframe for location and rotation. So you can see we got a keyframe added here. So now again move forward in timeline like 60 frames and let me change the position of the fish here like this, and also the rotation here like this. Okay, so again press I on the keyboard, add a keyframe for location and rotation. So now if I play this, we got this animation here. So now be on this 40th frame, grab this move tool and place the fish just above to this plane here, and again press I on the keyboard, add a keyframe. So now if I play this, we can see we got this jumping animation. So now let's work on the ripple effect on the water. So let me increase the scaling of this plane. So press S and increase the scaling here a bit, and let me increase in Y axis. Okay, and let me add subdivision. So press tab, right click, subdivide. So these many are enough, I think. Again press tab to exit this edit mode. So now select the plane, come to this physics property, add this dynamic paint and type let it be canvas and click on this add canvas. So enable this anti-aliasing, frame start and end, let me change this to 180 frames, and surface type change it to waves. These values we will deal later. So now select the fish model, again add dynamic paint on that. Now type change it to brush. So the plane is set to canvas and the fish model is set to brush. So now click on this add brush, make sure to add the brush here. So if I play this now, you can see we got the ripple effect here. So now let's see the values of this. So simply I will show you here. So if I reduce this to 0.01 and if I play this, you can see the difference here. We got this block kind thing. So just play with the values of this. I think these default values will be working better. Let me reduce the speed here to 0.5 and let me check this once again. Okay, so now this is looking good. So now let me select this fish model and let me duplicate this one. Press shift plus D to duplicate. Okay, so now be on this 20th frame, select this duplicated fish and place it here. So you can see we got two fishes here, and again press I on the keyboard, add a keyframe for location and rotation. Since it got a keyframe already here, we need to replace that one. So again move to this 40th frame and again move the location of this fish here and press I, add a keyframe for location and rotation, and again go to the 60th frame, again move the location of the fish here, add I, location and rotation. So now we'll get two fishes here in the scene. So if you want to change the speed or the time of this jumping, just select a fish model and grab these keyframes, press G and move the keyframes here like this. So we'll get the fishes jumping at different times. So now let's add some materials onto this. Before do that, let me select this ground plane, right click and shade smooth. So we got the triple effect away. Okay, nice. So now let's add materials onto that. So select this ground plane, come to this material properties, add new material, and let me add this glass BSDF, and roughness I will reduce this a bit. Let me move on to this material viewport so that we can see. And IQR, I think for water it is 1.333. Okay, so now let me play this once again and see. Okay, nice. So in this way we can create this kind of fish jumping animation along with the ripple effect in Blender easily. So hope you guys have learned something new from this tutorial. If you have learned anything new, please like, share and subscribe my channel to support me. So we'll meet in the next video. Until then, signing off. Take care. Bye.